Hi there. I can't wait to dive into your project. But before we do, I want to explain how we're going to manage the project. We're going to be using a project management tool that I love, Asana. What is Asana? Put simply, it's a private space online where we can communicate, see each task the project includes, share design files, and track the progress of your project. Basically, it's where your project will live. Why use Asana and not manage the project through email? Well, email is messy. I want to make this process as simple and enjoyable as possible for you, and Asana helps me do that. By using Asana, all conversations and files will stay neatly organized in one place. Let me show you how to use it. I promise it will only take a few minutes. I use my Google account to log in. You may choose to create your own separate username and password. As you can see, we're logged into Asana, and this is an example project. You may see something different depending upon how your account is set up. You may be logged right directly into your project and not ever even see that home screen. To get the most real estate on your screen, I recommend closing the sidebar by clicking right here. Here's a list of each task in your project. There will be a few tasks assigned to you, like payment tasks or homework tasks, but don't worry about trying to remember when they're due. Asana will send you email reminders when they're due. And when you have completed a task assigned to you, simply click the check mark to the left of the task name. When I've completed a part of the project, I will attach the design to the relevant task and leave a comment. Don't worry, you don't have to keep checking Asana for these updates from me. Asana will email you the comments and attachments. To reply, you don't even have to log into Asana. Just hit reply in the email and reply from there. Now let me show you how to access files. Anytime you're trying to find a file, just log into Asana and click on Files. All files we send each other will be stored here. That's pretty much all you need to know about using Asana. You don't need to worry about the other features. Quick recap. On your project page, you'll see a list of all the tasks in your project. You'll receive email notifications about the ones assigned to you. Whenever I comment or add files to your project, you'll receive them via email. You don't have to log into Asana to reply. Just hit reply directly on the email within your inbox. And lastly, if you want to access any files, simply log into Asana and go to Files. I encourage you to spend 10 minutes playing around in Asana and trying the features. If you have any questions about using Asana, please feel free to email me and I'll be happy to help you.